to you? I'm audible? Okay, I'm getting responses here. Thank you so much for coming here today evening for the last day of the Bring Out the Best in You 21-day workshop. So today is the last day. So I thank each and every one of you for being with us in this long journey. Of course, not a long journey, it's a short journey compared to the entire life. So thank you for spending a valuable time with us. So today we'll begin the last session. So today I'll be talking for about 20-25 minutes on one subject, the last subject, and then we'll have the concluding programs. So today's session may go up to 7:15. Last session, so a little extended in order to accommodate many programs which we have today. So I hope that's okay with all of you. So we'll go till 7:15. So I'll begin the session today with a short prayer. उपमज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिन्निति नामने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधार शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So we are in module 7. So the module 7 is entitled The Joy of Service, and we discussed on the day 1 Bhogavrati versus Sevavrati, wherein we discussed about what is Bhogavrati, which is enjoying tendency, demonic tendency. Sevavrati is serving tendency or divine tendency. Then we also discussed 4 platforms of worship: fear, desire, duty, and love. And yesterday we had a wonderful discussion on Krishna consciousness, the greatest social service. And in this session, we discussed about what is social service, what are the drawbacks of just doing social service. We saw that it is just like saving the coat of a drowning man. So that's what we had discussed. And we also saw that social service may serve the body, but the soul continues to suffer. So that social service should be accompanied by spirituality, which is Krishna consciousness, which is called as holistic service. And when you do that holistic service, it nurtures the body, mind, as well as the soul. And not only that, but we'll also come back to Godhead. And when you go back to Godhead and go back to Krishna, then there is no more suffering. So that's the advantage of this Krishna conscious service. Then we saw some examples of Hanuman. We saw the examples of Squirrel and Hanuman and Srila Prabhupada and many others who did expert service. Arjuna, who did expert service to Krishna. And then we had a brainstorming. We came up with about 48 talents, which all of you have. So all of you listed down your talents. I'll share that Excel sheet with all of you in the Telegram. So you can see that and you can connect to each other based on the Telegram. Talents, people with common talents can pull together and do some wonderful contribution. Then we had made a list of 100 topics, 100 ideas on how we can serve the Lord with arts and computers and mobile automobiles, possessions like smartphones, social media, and position of being civil servant and others. So in this way, so many ideas were made up yesterday. So today, on the last day, the grand finale, so we are going to do this: why accept spirituality in youth, for the first 25 minutes. And then we'll be we'll be having the concluding program. I'll hand over the stage to Sanbaran Prabhu, who will be continuing this session. Okay. So are you ready? Should we start? Why do we accept spirituality in youth? Okay. Thank you. So many people, they say, especially when they see that young people are taking to spirituality, young people are chanting Hare Krishna. Like most of you also have got this question, might have, some people must have asked this question to you, अरे इतनी भी क्या जल्दी है, हाँ बहुत जिंदगी पड़ी है, we have long journey to go, why are you chanting Hare Krishna now, isn't it? So people, some friends may ask, some relatives may ask, some parents may ask, right? Please type in the chat box if you have faced with that such a question. If somebody asked you such a question, please type yes or no. If you have, somebody asked you a question, why are you chanting at a young age, you do it in old age, yeah, see, so many, yeah. So okay, so many of you have been asked, but some of you are not. Okay, maybe you're very fortunate, those who are saying no. But most of the people, they ask this question, why in young? At least me, I have faced these questions when I was young, and even others also have faced this question, why young, right? So in this way, so we have to have the proper answer why spirituality is important when we are young, why not in old, right? Let us discuss why to accept spirituality when you are young. I have made a slideshow. So why accept spirituality in youth is the topic. Now, opposite of young is old. So you see this old man is holding a stick and there's white hair, bald hair, and he's saying like this, I am old. But if you see what is really old, it is very, we can even philosophize this answer, who is old, right? When do you say somebody is old? Generally, our definition of being old is the hairs must have become white, and the eyesight should have become weak. There should be wrinkles on the face, and there should be the teeth should have fallen down, right? And bodily strength should have become weak. That's what we say a person has become old. But actually, this is a gross definition of being old. As somebody is saying bent body and skin wrinkles, that's true. But actually, that is a very gross definition. For example, I'll tell you one incident you can say. Then you can decide. For example, suppose somebody is 70 years old. Okay, his age is 70, but he will die at the age of 80. So how much life he has got? 10 years, 70 to 80. But on the other hand, somebody may be 15-year-old, and suppose he dies at the age of 18. Somebody is 15-year-old and he dies at the age of 18. So right now he is 15 years old. So now we compare this 15-year-old boy and a 70-year-old man. So who is actually old? Is a young boy or an old man? Because the young boy has got only 3 years to live and the old man has got 10 years to live. So actually, if you see properly, the young boy, he is old because he is going to die early, right? So according to this definition, anybody who is closer to death, he is actually old, right? So that's a right conception we should develop. Actually, old man is not just a person with wrinkles and a weak body. Actually, old man is one who is having who is very having proximity to death. So that is the definition of old age. And somebody may say, okay, what is the right time to practice Krishna consciousness? When all my desires are fulfilled, when all my desires are fulfilled, I have achieved the perfection of happiness in this material world, then I will come to spirituality. That's what a person says. And generally a person works very hard whole life, and at the fag end of his life, he starts thinking about spirituality because he has already finished, expired all his desires. So then he becomes old. But actually, is it really true? Desires are never ending. Even in old age, person has got unlimited desires. Like this person is old man, he's old, but he has a lot of desire. He wants to do big things still in life. In Bangalore, there was one Meda. There is a Meda. It was a job fair. This job fair was organized for retired people. I was surprised that people have retired and they are going to this job fair. What inspires them? So then I thought deeply. Then I thought that no, that these old people, they have desires which are not yet fulfilled, and they want to fulfill those unfulfilled desires by working hard, even at the age of like 65, 70, 80, like that. They're working hard. And even I know some of my uncles or relatives who are retired, but they want to do something. They'll start some business or side business and this and that, and want to earn some money and keep working hard, right? And when they get retired, people think he's a useless fellow. Till now he was earning, but now he's not earning, and he's not maintaining us, so they reject him. So he becomes a rejected person. See, and that puts a social pressure on them to perform and to work hard. But the fact of life is, one cannot, because the body has become weak. When the body has become weak, it cannot perform the same kind of work which you used to perform in when you are young. So even in the old age, desires never end. Okay, it is said that there is one shloka, Angam galitam phalitam mundam dashana vihinam jatum tundam vruddhayati grihatva dandam tadapina munchati asha pindam. That's what Adi Shankaracharya says. He says, Angam galitam, all the limbs have got become weak. Galitam means they have got dissolved. Angam galitam. Like the eyes have become weak, the liver is not functioning, the stomach is not functioning. There's Angam galitam. Phalitam mundam, all the hairs have naturally fallen. Dashana vihinam jatum tundam, all the teeth, 32 all out. Like this person is no teeth. They have to put artificial teeth and try to chew. So dashana vihinam jatum tundam vruddhoyati grihatva dandam. So the third leg comes. Tadapina munchati asha pindam. Still the desire to enjoy it doesn't go away. The material desires never end. So even in old age, desires are there. In young, desires may be there, are there. In old age also desires remain, but one cannot satisfy them. So that's why better begin early, not late. Right now, begin Krishna consciousness. So when we are young, we have youthful energy. See these young boys and girls that dancing and jumping in the air. But when you become old, with 3 legs, how can you jump? It is not possible to jump and dance. But in young age, we can jump and dance in Kirtan. Right? If you maybe once the lockdown gets over, you can invite all of you come to Kirtan. We'll have nice rocking Kirtans and you can chant and jump and touch the sky in the dancing Kirtan. Because of lockdown, there's so many restrictions. We're not able to have that kind of roaring Kirtan nowadays. So we have youthful energy. We can lift things, we can do things, we have creative intelligence, we can do so many activities. But in old age, we cannot. Neither can we enjoy the feast. Right? We have nice prasadam, feast prasadam, but we cannot eat gulab jamun, rasgulla, and this and that. We cannot. People become diabetic when they become old. So right now, when you have youthful energy, right now you should offer your energy to Krishna. The best part of our life should be offered in the service of the Lord. Correct? Not the worst part. Like for example, next slide you see, I have shown here beautiful flowers. Right? We offer the flowers to the Lord when it is fresh, not when it has become shrunken. Right now here, somebody gifted me 2 flowers. Right? So this is a very bright, beautiful flower from our terrace garden. And this is a wrinkled, shriveled flower. See, it has become dried up. And here you see, it is fresh and bright. So which one will you offer, right or left? Which flower will you offer to Lord? Yeah, left one, isn't it? The one in your left hand, right? Because it is fresh. You can offer to Krishna and smell it also. Fresh one. So nobody likes offering old shrunken flowers. Now this is like old age, and this is like youth. So old age and youth. So better we should offer youth to Krishna. Maybe Krishna likes it. And Krishna is also Navayavanam. Shyamam Tribhanga Lalitam Navayavanam cha Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Right? So Krishna is also young and he likes youth. So we have youth energy, youthful energy, we can offer it to Krishna, right? So beautiful flower should be offered young. Similarly, our youth is compared to fresh flower, and we should offer that fresh, youthful energy to Krishna, not the old one. So here is a beautiful shloka from Prahlad Maharaj. All of you know Prahlad Maharaj. He is the son of Hiranyakashipu, and Hiranyakashipu tried to torture him and kill him because he was a devotee of Lord Vishnu. So here is one example where when a person becomes serious in spiritual life, so many obstacles he gets, especially from his own family, from his own father. He is getting the obstacle, and father is telling you should not chant Vishnu's name, you should chant Om Hiranyakashipuye Namaha. That was his desire. But Prahlad was fixed up in his love and devotion to Lord Vishnu. So one day, in a school, Prahlad was learning in a school. See, in that school, there is a break time. And his teachers were Shukracharya's children, Shanda and Amarka. So Shanda and Amarka, they were teaching politics, Kutaniti, diplomacy, all demoniac things to Prahlad Maharaj. But Prahlad was not interested in all that. So one day Prahlad Maharaj, during the break time, when people are taking lunch, his friends are taking lunch, so that time he called all of them, please come, please come. And they all came and they were looking at the beauty of Prahlad. Prahlad was so attractive because he was thinking about Lord. Anybody who thinks about Lord becomes very attractive. So he was thinking about the Lord and this gazing at the Prahlad, they said, Prahlad, how are you so happy? Like that. They were wondering. So then Prahlad Maharaj at the time he started giving instructions to the friends. The first thing he says is this one. Kaumaracharet pragyo dharman bhagavataniha durlabham manusham janma tadapi adhruvam arthadam. So Kaumara acharet pragnya. Kaumara means at the age of 5. When one is 5 years old, acharet pragnya dharman bhagavataniha. Once a pragnya is intelligent person, one is sufficiently intelligent, should use the human form of body at the tender age of childhood, means 5 years, to practice devotional service, Krishna consciousness. Right? Now most of you are above 18, I guess, right? 16 plus. So most of you are at that age. Now Prahlad Maharaj's verdict here is start practicing at the age of 5. Now we are 3 times that. Many of you are 3 times, some of you are 4 times, 5 times of that age. But better late than never. Why Prahlad is telling at the age of 5? Very soon you will see a child who is less than 5 years old and is practicing Krishna consciousness. Damodar will be coming soon. So, Kaumar Acharet Pragno Dharman Bhagavataniha Durlabham Manusham Janma. This human body is very rare. And if you remember, I was telling that there are 84 lakh species, and the topmost among that species is human species, which are 4 lakh categories in human species. So it's very, very rare to achieve. Bahunam Janmana, after many births, one get this human body, so one should not waste it. It is Durlabham, very difficult to attain, but we have got it. Just like it is difficult to get a diamond, but if you get it, you preserve it very nicely. You use it very properly. Similarly, this human body we have got, so we have to use it properly for the right purpose. So Durlabham Manusham Janma, it is very rare, but Adhruvam, it is temporary also. It is rare, but it is temporary. It will stay with us only for 60, 70 years. Right now, the average age of a person is about 67 years. Right? So a person dies, that's the average age. Right? Now, if somebody is 30 plus, now already 50% of the life is gone. Right? And even the life which we live, so much of time is, you remember Vishal Kaushal sir telling about different how the age is wasted and how much time remains, very less time remains. So that's why it's adhruvam, it's temporary. And when we die, we don't know what body we will get in the next life. It may be human body, it may be animal body, right? So we should use it very carefully. Adhruvam. But arthadham is very, very meaningful or valuable. Okay, so it's valuable because this human form of life can take one from this material world to the spiritual world. So that's why it's called as arthadam, or very, very valuable. So in this way, we see that this human form of life should be used for Krishna consciousness at a very, very young age, not when one becomes old. I went to one school once, and generally I go to many schools and teach Bhagavad Gita. So one of the parents asked me, "Sir, why are we teaching Bhagavad Gita in schools? It's meant for old people. Let the children study um, arts and commerce and science and other things. When one becomes old, after 50 plus, then he can sit peacefully and read Bhagavad Gita. Why only in young age?" Then I replied, "Dear sir, see, when you purchase some article, so it may be mobile phone or a new laptop or a new calculator, so along with it item, that there comes a manual, manual. So that manual is essential because it gives us instructions on how to use that item. If you don't read that manual, then we cannot get instructions, isn't it? And then we may misuse it. Instead of putting a 110 volts plug, you may put 200 volts, and then it may burst also, right? So just like a manual comes with every item, similarly with the creation, with the human body also comes a manual, and that manual is Vedas or Bhagavad Gita. So Vedas are like the manuals which guide us, and Bhagavad Gita is the essence of all the Vedas. Sarvopanishado gavo dugdha gopala nandana partho vatsa sudhir bhokta dugdham gitamritam mahat. Right? So this Bhagavad Gita is the essence of all Vedic knowledge. Everything is there in this. It's like a zip file of all Vedas. And you unzip it, you start opening and reading pages, you'll get the entire Vedic wisdom in just one small book in 700 shlokas. So by reading this manual, we'll know how to live our life. Now, if this book is the manual for human life, now should we use it, should we read it in the beginning of life or at the fag end of life? What do you think? Okay. What should we do? Should we read in the beginning or the end? In the beginning. So many people, they don't read Bhagavad Gita in the beginning, and what they do, they misuse their life. They smoke and drink and get into bad habits, and so many sufferings come in their life. So that's why the Bhagavad Gita should be read starting from the age of 5, but better late than never. Even now also you can start reading and understanding Bhagavad Gita and try to implement it in our life, and still you can achieve the same perfection. Better late than never. So after this Bring Out the Best in You series, we'll be launching another Gita course, which we'll be doing online once in a week. And those who are interested, how many of you will be interested in attending a weekly course after this session? After today's session, how many of you will be interested? Okay, sure. Me, Prabhuji. Me for sure. Amazing. So many interested people here. I got some feedback from all the mentors that some of you are so happy with these sessions that you would like to attend more and more. It's so wonderful. And today only I was talking to one of my devotee friends, and he was telling, "Oh, 21 days passed." It happened so fast. 21 days. It appeared as if we started yesterday and it's over. So that's the feeling. Because when you're involved in spiritual activities, time flies. You don't even come to know how the time goes, right? So yeah, how can we get information? We'll be, after this, all the announcements and winners are announced, we'll be sending a Google form right in the chat here. So you can fill up that Google form and you can express your interest. Then we'll communicate to you about the future programs. So basically after this session, what we are planning to do is weekly once, we'll meet like this for about 1 hour 15 minutes, a session like this. And apart from that, many of you have mentors. So mentors will be conducting two meetings in a week with all of you, and you can attend as per your convenience, and there you can have more discussions, right? This weekly class, which we'll have once in a week on weekend, it will be mainly a teaching session, and some question answers will be there, but more further guidance you can take from your mentors who will be available for you in the mentor meetings, which will happen twice in a week in small groups, like group of 10 or 15, like that. So you can get more guidance from there, and many of you already have got the mentors, so you can get in touch with them. Okay, so we'll be circulating a sheet, Google sheet, which you can fill, and then we'll come to know. what around 7 o'clock I'll be circulating that sheet at the end of the session. Okay, please stay tuned. We'll be having this session till 7:15. We have many things to cover today, and our volunteers have a lot of things to show you. So please stay tuned. So I end my talk here, and I hand over the control to Sanbaran. Sanbaran, making host. Is that? Yeah. Okay. Sanbaran Prabhu, are you there? Hare Krishna. Sanbaran Sen Gupta Prabhu. Not sure whether he's able to hear us.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hello?
he's there. He's speaking now.
Hare Krishna, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you now.
Okay. I'm sorry, I was a bit late, running a bit late. This call time.
Sorry, busy day with
So-
meetings, but still you are here.
Yes, Friday, still the week is not over.
Yeah, Friday is the most
But,
busy day for you.
after seeing 100 people on the meeting today, I was eagerly waiting to come and talk to all of you. So thank you so much again from my side for your enthusiastic participation and making this program a grand success. As I said today, we are completing this 21-day workshop. Many of you have taken the challenges and done wonderfully. So we're going to share some statistics on who did how all of you took up the challenge well. We would thank our volunteers in short time. But before that, we would like to hear from our temple president, His Grace Narahari Chaitanya Prabhu.
I think he's yet to join.
Okay.
I'll,
Okay.
I'll just call
Okay.
him.
So till the time Prabhuji joins, let's hear some realizations. Have we asked anyone any realization? Somebody wants to come online video, unmute your audio and speak. You want to share how you're practicing your meditation? How did you like? Any take home point from any one of you? If you want to come online live.
There's one hand raising there, Dheeraj.
Yeah, please unmute, and if you're in a state to share your video, please do. We would like to see you and hear from you. Where is Dheeraj? Anyone sharing?
So there are comments coming there on the chat.
Okay.
You people are messengers of God. And somebody, Satya Ranjan is telling, yes, Prabhuji, we don't know how 21 days passed. Correct.
Yes.
So
wonderful. Do we have Damodar and
Anuradha is
with
raising
us
hand.
today?
Anuradha Mahajan is raising hand. We'll unmute her.
Yes.
Hello, Prabhuji. Good
Hare
evening.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Hare Krishna. Prabhuji, my experience of this 21 days workshop was really very nice. And when my friend circulated that like all posters to me, I was so like I was so happy that I can be the part of ISKCON. From the beginning only, one of my relatives is in ISKCON, so I had a great enthusiasm to be the part of ISKCON. In the beginning only, I tried to read Bhagavad Gita, but it was quite difficult for me to understand. So I was trying to get the opportunity to understand the Bhagavad Gita, and in this 21 days meditation challenge, I was feeling so happy and positive. And one of the great thought I ever listen in this 21 days workshop, that you should do the power of attorney to the God. Like you should give your power of attorney to the God. I am trying to make the Lord Krishna as the center of my life and trying to do the things by his grace only. So it was very nice experience for me, and thank you so much all of you. Thank you so much all of your mentors, like that you are doing so great effort for us to like make our life spiritual and trying to give the meaning of to our life. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. And I would like to be like in touch with you. And I would like to like learn the Bhagavad Gita and many more courses from you. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna. Wonderful. Thank you so much for such a wonderful feedback. We are very happy that we could be of some use and some help in your life. So we are very happy. And obviously, as I say, this is not the last day. We have lots and lots of activities, learnings and sessions planned for all of you. So don't worry. We'll be in touch and we'll keep sharing and learning. So we have His Grace Narahari Chaitanya Prabhu with us today. So we would like to hear from him, his words of wisdom and his address for our concluding session today. Narahari Prabhu, over to you. Prabhuji, you're on mute.
Muted.
Okay. But I was hearing to nice realizations. Let it continue. Very nice. The Mataji, what she spoke was, is how what Prabhupada is. All right. Thank you very much for being a part of this 21-day program. You have done wonderful. And I can, by hearing from one, I can make out how deep-rooted our knowledge of Sanatana Dharma. So to start with, Shastra says, Om asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya nutyor ma amritam gamaya Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. So you can know from that, what do we understand? Om, keep me not in unreality, but make me go towards reality. Keep me, second one says, keep me not in darkness, take me towards light. Keep me not, third one says, mortality, but make me towards the immortality of self-realization. So the basis of this knowledge is coming from Bhagavad Gita. Unless you are in a dark room, somebody lights up a candle, then only you can see. That means we have eyes, but eye is useless as long as sun and moon is there. Otherwise, we cannot see anything. So all our senses are dependent on the external future or the gifts of the Lord who has given us. Right? So you see so much of air around us, oxygen. Suddenly oxygen goes into our body. How does it go? You don't know. So what a beautiful machine the Lord has created. Huh? And you put a seed inside your the earth, suddenly a plant comes and a mango comes. So the purpose of human life is like that we have to learn and also we have to give to others. So our International Society Krishna Consciousness is doing this all over the world. This 21 days program, what you are all gone through, this is going all over the world and many people are taking up to Krishna consciousness. And there are many religions with certainly their understanding are all in the right direction. But coming up to Krishna consciousness, where Sanatana Dharma is the basis, where it's a very complete and very inclusive educative process. And Bhagavad Gita is not only for religionists, but even other extraordinary people like Mahatma Gandhi had taken up, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Dr. Radhakrishnan, great philosophers have adopted that and in their day-to-day living. So Bhagavad Gita is a way of life where we have to live by that. And it is not that we just take care of us. No, we have to take care of the world around us. So it's a collective effort in the direction of realizing the truth. What is the truth? Understanding oneself, who am I? Where I am coming from, where I am going. Certainly these are all the questions will come up when perplexities of life is not answering. So where material education ends, spiritual education starts, but it starts from beginning, but nevertheless, people do understand from there. So we don't have to get into problem to see God. We can approach God to stop the problem itself. to understand the problem itself. So, Srila Prabhupada taught us that purpose of human life is to understand oneself and to live by that. So Vedic understanding is very clear, and the animal life and the human life, there is many similarities are there, but the understanding and rationally and living by it can be done only in human life. Animals also got intelligence, but in a particular aspect which is to do with the body. So they will not know what kind of suffering they are undergoing through. Whereas human life is, we can know. Just like just now, one of the member of this 21-year, she was explaining that she wants to make Krishna as her doer, and she wants to read Bhagavad Gita, and she wants to make a... So that is what is not only with you, with everybody. Even with Arjuna, it was there. So knowledge is, unless you seek, and also the person whom you seek is also important. You cannot go to a biology lecturer to learn chemistry. You can't go to a chemistry lecturer and learn mathematics like that. So if you have to learn about life, human life, you have to go a person who is immersed in that. So Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, ISKCON founder Acharya, was that kind of a person who could really mesmerize all over the world to take up to this path of real light knowledge. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. That means to say that and it is meant for everybody. It is not just, he picked up people from very low community who are, outside, like they had no background. They had left their houses, but they had so much of wealth with them, but still they were not happy. And Srila Prabhupada picked them and they made from hippies to happies. So from that culture, it came to India and it is taking up. He said, let me go and teach the West and the Indians will follow. So that's what is happening. And India is taken up very seriously. We have almost 600 centers. We have in almost all colleges we are preaching. The wonderful devotees who have taken the pain all to all the 21-day courses. They also, somebody had picked them up. In that way, this is going on. So I'm very grateful to all of you to take up this course. And all our team of ICC, all are there to, help you, to guide. We are not against materialism, but we help you to how to use the materialism in the right way. So just like you give 1,000 rupees for a child, and what will he can't do anything. He will just tear it up and throw it up. So we are trying to make people understand the purpose of human life. So in that way, we can also be leaders for the world, the new generation coming up. So what exactly is the culture of India is that only. We are the pioneers into spiritual education, which came from here. Even Buddhism came, Jainism came, all the religions as some isms are all from India. So somehow India, aping the West, went off in different direction. So it's been like Ramanuja, Shankara, they all came back to revive the Vedic culture. So as the time is going on, you can find that slowly people lose faith and it goes down. Again, somebody will come back and regenerate. So Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, he came in 1960s. He started this movement and it's helping a lot. And so thank you very much for all of you. My best wishes in your academic as well as spiritual growth. Both have to go simultaneously. And we are there to whatever way service we can do. Service to humanity is very, very important, and spiritual education also is one of the top priority. And Bhagavad Gita is the only way for us to, we Indians, to imbibe and understand and live our life that way. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Ram,
Hare Ram,
Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Can I hear any more realizations?
Want to hear more?
Yeah.
Thank you, Narayana Chaitanya Prabhu, for wonderful inspiration. He is very senior elderly devotee. Since 1985, he is part of this movement. So we are very grateful to him for his support and encouragement for all the youth here. Raghunath Reddy wants to speak. Please unmute him. Raghunath Reddy. Please raise your hands if you want to speak.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes, please speak.
Yeah, Prabhuji. I am Raghunath Reddy. I am from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I have been attending the online Gita courses along with this Bring in Your Best since April. I was like somewhat rational thinking. I pray to God. It doesn't mean that every problem will be cleared by God. You have to think yourself. You have to know what is the problem, and you have to go some practical experience to clear the problem. Earlier, I used to think like, okay, why if God is there, why He's creating this many diseases? Why He is making people to suffer like this? And one day I have asked Gauri Haridas Prabhuji that why is like this? Prabhuji told simply, this is world of this is created for that only. You have to attain to Vaikuntha, so there you will find some peace. Then I was astonished to that answer. We are created for this only. Then later, after listening to these classes, I came to know that okay, you have specific directions to lead your life, so that whatever may come into your life, either it may be a problem or it may be happiness, you can know in which direction you can handle it, and you can bring your peace to your soul, so that you can live happily throughout your life. And it helped me like what I was in a depression due to some things, and I am recovering very slowly. And after attending these classes, it become like what, okay, Krishna is there with you, don't worry, everything He will handle it. Just go with Krishna, everything will be in the line. And chanting is like a extraordinary mantra, Prabhuji. No need of attending some special seminars or psychological clearings, nothing. I used to chant 1 round a day, and eventually I am chanting 6 rounds a day now. And it itself it's like a guiding path. It making me slow in thinking, like what unnecessary stress or tension won't get into me. It is like, okay, be cool. Everything will come in line. Just chant. Be cool, stay calm, you will get it. And this is only because of this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. And I am very thankful for that, Prabhuji.
Amazing. Amazing. We're very happy, and obviously as many people confirm this, because we have been experiencing, and we are happy to share the experience with you, and that has benefited you, makes our faith in our process more stronger. Yes. So thank you so much. Please stay connected and keep talking to your mentors, and I'm sure you will get all the answers, all rational answers that you're looking for very soon. So we'll move on to our next program, and I would like to request Harish Prabhu to kindly share his concluding thoughts for this workshop.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So firstly, I would like to thank all the participants for their enthusiasm. Initially, when Swarna Gaur Hari Prabhu suggested it will be a 21-day workshop, I said it's too long. Maybe our people may not continue for such a long time. They may not be, but looking at the attendance, it gives us a clear understanding that how much Indians are still pious, how much they are looking for this pure knowledge, and how Srila Prabhupada has given this wonderful spiritual knowledge in such a down-to-earth manner for all of us to understand. I'm sure that all of you have appreciated this so much. That is why you're all continuing here. So we are very grateful to all of you. We sincerely pray to the Almighty that whatever sincere desires all of you have, Lord constantly protects you, empowers you, guides you, so that you can walk further on this path of spirituality. Shankaracharya said, getting a human birth is a very rare thing, and being born in a Punya Bhumi like Bharata is another very rare thing. And the rarest of all is, even after being born in India, if we do not have association of saintly people to guide us, we may be just like going on an ocean without a mariner's compass in a ship, having no direction in life. So getting the association of saintly people is the rarest of rarest things. And we have been given a human life, born in India, and now with these sessions, we have also got association of many saintly people who are there to guide us. Surely, this is one of the most fortunate position. We request all of you to kindly continue taking advantage of this. Srila Prabhupada said, the technology of the West and the spirituality of the East, when these two harmonize together, when they two combine together, then the whole world can be peaceful. So we all have this wonderful opportunity of making our lives perfect and then sharing that joy with others too, so that many more can also be benefited. So thank you very much, all students and participants, for your enthusiastic participation. We are very grateful to ISKCON for providing this forum to all of you. And please do keep in touch with all these senior devotees who will constantly keep guiding you all. Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Harish Prabhu, so much.
Thank you.
Do we have Damodar and Radharaman Prabhu for our special Kirtan performance today? Yes, we again have our small friend Damodar there. Hi Damodar, how are you?
Fine.
Are you able to hear us?
I'm on headset. Say fine. Fast, fine.
Fine.
Okay. So we have Damodar and his father Radharaman Prabhu with us to make the occasion more auspicious by chanting the holy names. For those of you who have been chanting as a japa, as a practice for meditation, we also have a practice of kirtans where we sing the Hare Krishna Mahamantra in a particular tune, and that we do very often, very regularly, every day in temple and during the artis. So that's something you might have heard when we started our programs every day. We started with a kirtan, singing the Hare Krishna Mahamantra in a particular tune. So yeah, we'll join little Damodar and Radharaman Prabhu in the kirtan. So over to you, Praji.
Okay, you can hear me, right? Okay,
Yes.
everyone clap and sing with us. I know you're all on mute, but you can be singing at home. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna
You can clap the video.
Hare Hare Hare
Hare
Ram
Ram, Hare
Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Ram Sankirtan ki jai.
Jai. Harinam Sankirtan ki jai.
Aishu, chup. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you so much, Damodar and Radharaman Prabhu. Wonderful. Damodar is an expert Mridangam player, and we take a lot of inspiration from him. I'm sure for us, those who have not got the opportunity to come to temple and experience Kirtan live, I'm sure you would eagerly wait for this corona to get resolved, and then we come together in temple and join in Kirtans together. We are eagerly waiting for that time, but yes, thank you so much, Damodar and Radharaman Prabhu. Moving on to the next important section, we have lots of toppers for the workshop. So let me quickly share my screen. And what we are going to do is, we will have our appreciation ceremony first, followed by our Thanksgiving for all the volunteers and the devotees who made this event possible. There's a question, where is Vishal Kaushal Prabhu? He is busy, he's a little caught up. So I'm sure we would arrange future programs with Vishal Kaushal Prabhu also. He's recently shifted to Bangalore and he's a very busy man. He's pursuing PhD. So yeah, today he could not join us. Okay, let me share my screen quickly. I hope you can see my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So, so coming to all the participants who have taken up chanting very seriously and shared your counts and filled up the forms, we have got to know all of you who have chanted and chanted consistently. So we would like to appreciate all of you who have taken up the 21-day challenge very seriously. So first and foremost,
actually one more addition. This they have volunteers have found out based on the data they have filled up, and
yes,
data that with the technology gives. But if there is any discrepancy or any mistake, it may happen. That some mistakes may be there, but please let us know, the volunteers, then we will update it. So before publishing the website and the social media, we'll be updating this. Okay.
Yes. So we have picked top 10 participants for each category. And as Suvarna Gauripu said, we had to depend on all of you who had filled the forms and the data that we got from Zoom. Please do not feel bad if your name is not there, but yes, obviously you get the benefit of chanting that you have done. So to start with, we have top consistent chanters who have chanted every day. We have Ananya Murlidhar. I would want a round of applause from all of you. Maybe applaud emoji would do in the chat. You can all clap your hands for our consistent chanters. Ananya Murlidhar, M. Lakshmi Monica, Anirban Kayal. Is Anirban around? Because I think Anirban is my friend from college. I'm not very sure, but I think so. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I see a lot of clapping there. Mohit Somani, Apurva G, Raghunath Reddy, Dheeraj Kumar, Sarvani Chervu, G Tejaswini, Vaishnavi MS, Karthik Babasaheb Gule, Lalit Kumar Gilot. So we have our consistent chanters. A big round of applause for all of you. Moving on to our top chanters. We have Karthik Babasaheb Gule, top chanter, Apurva G. We have Girish Balu, Savarni Chervu, Lakshmi SR, Vaishnavi Yadave, M. Lakshmi Monica, DR Harsha Ramrakhayani, Raghunath Reddy, and Kritika Nair. We have our top chanters. Really kudos to all of you. A big round of applause. And next, amazingly, we have top 10 participants who had 100% attendance all 21 days. Extraordinary. Indrayani Kulkarni, Soumya Sharada K, Jatin Patra, Sunil Arvind Pukale, Karthik Gule, Swarna Sandeep Pawar, Priyanka Dattu Danke, Vaishnavi Gajanan Sultane, Shashank C, Vaishnavi MS. So big round of applause to all of you. Thank you so much for your regular attendance. You get a full marks for the attendance. Thank you again. So that was our toppers list for 21 days challenge. Suvarna Gaurapu, would you like to add something here?
If somebody's name is missing, maybe they can type in the chat if by mistake somebody. Even me, Mohit Somani, Mohit. Mohit, in which category? Can you please? Mohit is typing privately. Yes. Mohit, you can unmute and speak also. That which he attended 21 days without absent. Okay. Girish Balu, he has attended 21 days without absent. Maybe sometimes because the Zoom name comes different, so it becomes difficult to. Anuradha, I also attended whole sessions. Please clap for her also.
Big round of applause for Anuradha,
Girish and Mohit.
Mohit.
Anuradha, Girish, Mohit. I request volunteers, can they update right now? So Vaishnavi also. Vaishnavi. Okay. Akanksha. Akanksha also attended all the sessions. Vaishnavi also attended all the sessions. Thank you so much. Girish Balu. Okay. Yeah. So Girish Balu, then Vaishnavi, then there is Akanksha and Anuradha and Mohit. These 5 people. Please kindly update the names before we publish. Okay, Dheeraj. Chanted every day.
Wow.
Dheeraj.
Great.
Chanted. And Avanish Kumar, he also attended 21 days. Okay, sorry, we missed some names because of the technology. Actually, 2 days Zoom did not use data. There are some junk values in that, so volunteers had a tough time to sort out attendance. Yeah, so please add Avanish's name also, and yes, Avanish's name and Dheeraj's name also. Okay.
Sure. So thank you all. Amazing participation and amazing regular chanting. Now it's another important.
Two more.
Okay. Swapnil, consistent chanting.
Hare Krishna.
Jai, Hare Krishna.
Coming to our BTM programs, I think he's the same. So he's here also. And Shivani Bhagat. She's also chanting. She attended all sessions except 2 due to network problem.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Thank you, Shivani. So, and we understand its network issues are there. Although we want to attend, but sometimes we may not be able to.
We have the videos on YouTube for you to refer to if you have missed.
Yes. Yeah. Over to you, Sankaran.
Okay. So thank you again. Now, the most important section, because you could see that our 21 days went on so smoothly and seamlessly, and it would not have been possible without a large team of volunteers who day in, day out were working hard to make this a success. And we would not realize what all things were being done unless it's listed and highlighted. And also would like to thank the whole team individually for their efforts. So in our traditional, in our Vaishnava tradition, whenever we are happy with someone, we want to appreciate. The one thing is we say a prayer of appreciation, a prayer that that person who served nicely can be benefited. And in our traditional way, we say Hari Bol or Hare Krishna. Sometimes we chant the whole Hare Krishna Mahamantra for the person. So although it's not possible when everybody is on mute, but all of you can kindly, whenever name is announced, please say Hari Bol or Hare Krishna in appreciation and in thanking prayer to those who have volunteered.
One more name is coming, Modem Vikas. He also attended all the sessions. Thank you.
Okay.
Vikas.
Okay, Vikas. So let's start our Thanksgiving ceremony. So I would like, as I said, I would like all of you, you can share clapping emojis or pranams emojis, and in your place, wherever you are, please chant Hare Krishna or Hari Bol to appreciate and thank the volunteers. To start with, we have devotees who have designed the posters, Ashish Prabhu and Atul Prabhu here. They are all members of ISKCON Youth Forum, South Bangalore. So some of them are working, some of them are students in NIT Surathkal. It's a variegated group. But yes, so poster designs, Ashish Prabhu and Atul Prabhu. Thank you so much. Next comes quiz design and Google Forms. So how many of you liked the quizzes? I mean, I found it very, very interesting and wonderful. You know, the way the quizzes were made like a game, and it was very interesting. The highest scores were given, and I kind of tried 2, 3 and found I could score some points at least. And I saw many of your names were coming up who have scored high. So for quiz design and Google Forms, we thank Shrikar Prabhu. And big round of applause. For the promo videos, we have Dhananjaya, Rohit Prabhu and Harish Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Next, we come to Facebook related services. We have Arun Prabhu doing a fabulous job sharing all the posters, the videos in time, and the Google Forms that were required on Facebook and sharing the posts. So thank you, Arun Prabhu, so much. Hari Bol.
Thank you.
Technical support, Abhishek Prabhu and Saurabh Prabhu did a wonderful job. Website and YouTube, Sailesh Prabhu. All our videos were in time posted on YouTube and uploaded and shared with all of you. So wonderfully done in time. Sailesh Prabhu and Abhishek Prabhu. Going to the next, we have our mentors who took up smaller groups in the breakout rooms and personally answered all of your questions and doubts. So we have a good big team of mentors. Kanak Yadav Prabhu, Vineet Reddy, Vikas Kumar, Nitish Chaudhary, Pratik Ladha Prabhu, Malati Santosh Mataji, Anusha Mataji, and Ashwini Kamath. So we have all these devotees who have acted as mentors and would be carrying on the support going forward. And they were there to answer all of your questions. So big round of applause and a big Hari Bol to thank all of them. Hari Bol. Next, we have the course facilitators. Obviously, we know Suvarna Gaur Hari Prabhu. He is the mastermind, the source of all the ideas and the guiding force behind all of us. He has done for us the greatest favor is he has engaged us in this wonderful service of sharing what we have learned from Shastras with all of you. So a big round of applause and a expression of gratitude from deep within our heart. Suvarna Gaur Prabhu, thank you so much. Hari Bol. So yes, we have course facilitators, myself, Sanbaran. We had Vishal Kaushal Prabhu who shared purpose of life wonderfully. We have Harish Prabhu also who gave wonderful lessons to us. So thank you all so much. Moving on, we had guest speakers who had joined in some of the sessions and enlightened us, shared their practical knowledge. We have His Grace Narhari Chaitanya Prabhu giving his time, Dr. Sushil, Sundarup Sham Prabhu. We had Srinivas Prabhu and his good wife Renu Mataji. And we have obviously Radharaman Prabhu and little Damodar. So they were all guest lecturer, guest speakers and performers in our program. So thank you all. We are very grateful to all of you for being part of this program. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Thank you so much. Coming to, okay, so that's all that we had. Thank you so much. So over to Suvarna Gaur Hari Prabhu for further announcements.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sanvaran Prabhu, for coordinating this wonderful event. And as many of you are already asking, what next? So actually, after this program, we are planning to have a weekly program on Bhagavad Gita. Till now, we had daily program. So first thing you need to do, please continue your chanting every day. Whatever fixed number of commitment you have taken, please continue chanting. And second thing, we will be having weekly programs for this. It will be on weekend, Saturday evening or Sunday evening, and one weekly program followed by 2 mentor meetings, which they may do on weekdays, something like a Tuesday evening and Thursday evening in between the week, which will be for half an hour to 40 minutes, where you can have, it's like a discussion group where all of you come together. And if you want more time, they are available. You can have a 1 hour discussion, ask questions, discuss, right? So mentor groups are already made, and each one of you know your mentors. If you don't know, please ask us. You can write to me, all of you, my email ID. So you can write to me, then they can allocate mentors to you. And then you can be in touch with them for regular guidance. So basically 3 meetings in a week, which is 2 mentor meetings, small groups in groups of 10-15, and 1 meeting where all of you come together and have a program. So, and the results of this quizzes will be given, because the last quiz is pending. So once that quiz is over, then we'll be posting the results in our website and Facebook. So maybe by within 2 days, once everybody fills up the quiz, then we can give the results. Okay. So once it is done, then we'll give the results to all of you. Okay. So now I have some important thing to share with all of you. That is the feedback form. And please don't put any comments on the chat, because I'm pasting the feedback form. It's here. So everybody please click on it, and the feedback form will open. So you can please give your honest feedback. And also we ask questions like, what did you like in this session? What was the best session you liked? And also how can we improve this program? And also, would you like to attend the future course? And would you like to be part of the mentor group? And also, how many rounds of chanting Hare Krishna? 1 round means 108 mantras. 108 mantras is 1 round. So how many rounds of Hare Krishna mantra you would like to chant from tomorrow onwards, henceforth? So please click on that feedback form and fill all the details. And then we'll get an idea of how we can schedule the program for you. Okay, I hope all of you are able to. Yes, I'm getting 3 responses. Okay. So responses are coming. Okay, 3 of you have filled up, 4 of you have filled up. So I'll give 5 minutes to all of you. So kindly fill up, everybody. And once we have all of you filled up, then we will go to the last point. So after filling the feedback form, just stay back. We are going to have an interesting darshan. So please fill your forms. We have got about 20 responses till now, waiting for others to join. And also, those who have filled up the form, we can have darshan of Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, the deities in our temple, the most merciful lordships, they're bestowing their mercy on all of us. Their big eyes and the grace. So Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, Shri Guru Parampara. Sri Lakshmi Narasimhadev, deities are here. And we also have Radha Krishna on Jhulan today. Today is Jhulan Yatra. He is Srila Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of our ISKCON movement. So he is the one who started the ISKCON society and spread the Vedic culture all over world. Yeah, can you give darshan from far? Far, it will show the whole swing and then zoom up. Even far, yeah. So since yesterday, Jhulan Yatra starts. So the Jhulan, Radha and Krishna are in the swing and devotees are swinging the lords. Okay, we have got about 37 responses. So kindly fill up other things. So everybody kindly fill up your charts. So the lordships are enjoying the swing ride on the swing, enjoying some fruits and also a beautiful garland and swinging. Can you show Srila Prabhupada altar? Arun Prabhu can show Srila Prabhupada altar? Yeah. So this is altar Srila Prabhupada, founder Acharya of ISKCON, and he sits in the temple taking darshan of the lordships and inspiring all of us by his life of dedication and service to Lord Krishna. At the age of 70, he traveled all the way to America with no money and established an international society for spreading the glories of Bhagavad Gita and Sri Krishna. Yes. So we have about 43 people filled up the feedback. So rest others also you can fill up. And it's interesting to note, many of you are already committing 16 rounds. That's amazing. We have 1, 2, 3 people chanting 16 rounds. About 2 of them chanting 11 rounds. And somebody has written 50 rounds. I think it must be 5. I think by mistake it must be 50. Something like Priyanka has written 50. Okay. And most of you are chanting 3, 4, 5. That's very good. And some of you are beginning with 1. Wonderful. Thank you so much. We have 45 feedback coming till now. And here is Jagannath, Baldev Subhadra, and altar, sitting on a marble platform on a nice throne with a lot Lord Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra. So on behalf of all the people assembled here, I personally offer all your feedbacks and your chanting scores to the deities here. And for your information, we are doing a yajna. It is Harinam Yajna, chanting of Hare Krishna Yajna, 108 crore. We are doing a yajna of 108 crore Mahamantras, and whatever you have chanted since 15th July. Okay, one information for all of you. Whatever chanting you have done since 15th July till today. Okay, 15th July till today, you can count the number of rounds. Like suppose you chanted 10 rounds every day. So 10 into 15 will be how much? 150 rounds. So there is one yajna which you are doing and we are counting the yajna countdown. So we are wanting to attain 108 crore Hare Krishna mantras chanted in the Chaturmas, in the 4 months. So 108 crore Mahamantras. It's a big target. So all of you will be part of that. So we'll be sharing one link with you. So there you can put your name, and you can initially have to fill little bit details of name, phone number and all, but later on you just have to fill your phone number and then enter your score. That's all. So you can do it on daily basis, but if you feel it is too much to do on a daily basis, you can do it on a weekly basis also. Like every Sunday, whatever rounds you chanted in the week. Suppose you chanted 30 rounds in the week, you can put there. Yeah, so the link has come there. So those who have filled up the feedback form, so now you can click on this form, and you can just write your name, phone number, little bit details. First time you have to fill, and all entire many devotees in Bangalore, thousands of them are filling this. 5 lakh chanting is done till now. Okay, 5 lakh chanting is done till now. So we want to reach 108 crores. So many of them are filling that sheet. So we will, all of you can participate by putting your cumulative score from 15th July up to today there. See, not right now. If you know it, you can put it. But this link will be putting in the Telegram also. It's offline also, you can fill it. Okay, so you'll be participating in the whole Japa Mahayajna, where entire world is participating in this kind of yajna. Telegram link also is already put up. So we had 49 people filling the feedback form till now. So thank you so much. So I'll just share it here on the screen. So we have all these people filled up this form, and it's very encouraging. So 1 round, 5 round, 2 rounds, 16 rounds, amazing. 50 rounds. It's really inspiring if you are able to do it. But 50 rounds takes a lot of time. It takes about 6 hours. Haridas Thakur used to chant more than 100 rounds, 190 rounds. So somebody's chanting 16 rounds. Who is that? Vishnuvardhan, Haribol. And somebody's chanting here also 16 rounds. It is Dr. Harsha. Thank you so much. And there's one more. Okay, yeah, one more is here. One more says Girish Palu, Haribol. Thank you so much. So, and most of you are chanting about 4 to 6 rounds. That's wonderful. Amazing. So we'll go through all of your feedback, and those who have mentors will get in touch with them, the mentors, and we'll be scheduling the mentor meeting soon, maybe on this coming week, and you can participate in that mentor meetings. And yesterday we already informed you about the online Janmashtami competition. So this competition is started. So you can participate in this in our link. So you can participate in all of this or any one of these events and engage your talent in Krishna's service. Okay. So kindly register and you can participate in the contest to express your devotion and love to Krishna. Hare Krishna. So we'll take some questions if you have any. Yeah, we'll be sharing the results of the quizzes soon once everybody puts up the scores. Can I get Japamala delivered to my home? Where do you stay? So you can get it in touch with your mentor. We can arrange for it, surely. Based upon your locality where you are, we can arrange from the nearest place. Can you share PDF of all the modules? It's already there in a Google Drive. So I think we'll share the link again. So we'll update it and then send, or not right now. So we'll update the Google Drive with all the Palakkad, Kerala. So Saurabh, can you get in touch with Surendra, KVN? He needs a Japamala. We can try to arrange. Okay. Palakkad. So Surendra, you can contact Saurabh in the Telegram. He will help you. He is the moderator of the Telegram group. Okay. Can you get reliable sources of cow ghee? Yeah, there's one brand called Go Seva, which is run by ISKCON, and there's Patmeda ghee. So there's Go Seva brand, which is from Gujarat, Gir Gaus, and Patmeda is Rajasthan, Goshala. So these two things I know, and there are some people who do their own, like a home business. They make cow ghee in home. If you have the direct source, you can get it from them. Yes. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, no questions. So Sanbaran, Prabhu, you want to share something?
Thank you, Prabhu. So yes, in the similar lines what we discussed, that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told us, Bharat Bhumite Manusya Janma Hoilo Jar, Janma Sarthak Kori Karo Paropakar, which means those of us who have taken birth in this amazing, wonderful, glorious country named India or Bharatvarsha, Janma Sarthak Kori, the first step is perfect your life. And that's the process that you have started. Your own chanting, your own attending the seminars. Janma Sarthak Kori, Karo Paropakar, help others, share the wonderful fortune that you have received to share with others. So with that thought and understanding that as Indians, it becomes our responsibility from the time we take birth in this wonderful country, that we learn spirituality, we learn the message of Bhagavad Gita, and we give it to others. So with that thought, my dear friends, I would request both things, please continue hand in hand. Janma Sarthak Kori, make your practice of chanting and attending the sessions more frequent, more regular, more in depth. And also, please help us share this message of Bhagavad Gita far and wide. This program, all of you are from different places, Kerala, Gujarat, West Bengal, Delhi, Pune, many places, all of you have joined. So please help us share the word for each and every program that we do in future. We have our talent show going on. We have our 108 crore Japa Yagya going on. So please spread the word, share with all of your friends. I think each one of you, there were 100 of us here today. So each one of you, if you share the word with 5 of your friends, it'll reach 500 people. And if they share, it's going to reach exponentially. And we would be able to help many people who are bereft of the wonderful treasure that we have in India. So thank you so much. Stay in touch. That's all from my end.
Hare Krishna. So our volunteers are telling that we have our Facebook and Instagram also. So people can get more information. And
can we share the link here? Everybody can follow if it's ready. If you have our Facebook page. Okay, so that's our IVF ISKCON Cultural Center Facebook page. I would request all of us are present on that page, so you can follow us and we can follow the page. We would be sharing all the videos. Suvarna Gaur keeps taking wonderful seminars for all of us on Bhagavad Gita, and those are, everything is shared on the Facebook page. We also have our Instagram presence. We'll be sharing all the videos and programs in these social media platforms. So stay in touch through those as well. Yes. Wow, that's a very good idea, Girish. He's requesting one request: if you can make flashcard kind of Bhagavad Gita quotes daily and share us, so that we can spread to our contacts. Wonderful. That's possible, and I'm sure we have it ready. It will not be a big difficulty to share. Obviously, yes. We take your point, Girish. We would surely do something like that. Maybe a WhatsApp share would help. Okay. Anything else, Suvarna Gaur Prabhu?
Yeah, no, thank you.
Okay.
Somebody's kept in a chat that she's not able to find your name. Yeah, below, if you don't find your name, you can put the name in the next column, next row, and you can enter the sheet. Not a problem. So you'll get to know. In the next, below, select your name. Below that, there is another this thing. Okay, so you can fill up your name there in the second section, and then you can fill up the sheet. Okay.
Krishna. Okay, with your request, we will not close the Telegram group. We will continue it for some more time so that you can save the links. You can save the YouTube links with you and watch the videos. We will share the materials as well very soon.
Yes, and some people are asking, is there any second batch? We'll think of it maybe after this month of August, or this festival month. Maybe after that, we'll think if there are a good amount of people interested, then we may try it again. Hare Krishna.
We would have some announcements for Janmashtami, Prabhu. Can they watch Janmashtami festivals in which site?
Yeah.
Because August, we are very busy with our festivals. You know, we have Jhulan Yatra started, then Balram Jayanti on Monday, and 12th August, we have Janmashtami, 11th for everyone. 11th and 12th, 2 days we celebrate. Generally, every year, when there is no lockdown, we rent out chawl trees, big halls, and we celebrate. But this time, we are celebrating totally online. So Nagaru will give you some details on that.
Yeah, so the Janmashtami will be digital Janmashtami. So more details of that will be posted here in this ISKCON Cultural Center website. We'll be putting it on the Telegram, so you can get the details. It will be virtual. You'll enter into the temple through the website, and you can see live darshan. You can have live classes. You can see live kirtans. You can see the iWeb stall, ISKCON Youth Forum stall there live in the website. It's actually a virtual event website where you can see 3D models and everything. You can enter and you can move through the actually go to auditoriums. You can see live darshan, you can do live abhishek, you can do live jhulan. So all that arrangements is going to be made. It's in progress. So very soon it will be launched. So at that time you can watch it. So we'll be updating it soon. Even you can give online seva. Online, you can book online archana. You can book online abhishek. You can book so different sevas like that. So all that facilities will also be provided to you digitally through a digital platform. Okay, because of lockdown is open, but still we cannot congregate more than 50. So, but Janmashtami generally used to get 10,000, 15,000 people visiting temple. That may not happen this time. So we are inviting lakhs of people online. So just with a click from your room, you can join our temple festival celebrations from 10 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock in the night on 11th. On 11th, morning 10 to night 10, and then on 12th from evening 6 to midnight, we'll be doing this. Okay. Hare Krishna. Anybody wants to ask any queries or questions before we end this call of the 21 days event? Okay. Hare Krishna. Yeah, certificate. Certificate will be sent to you by email. Okay. Should you show the? Can you show the digital certificate? Is it here? Let me check. Yeah. Here it is. Sample digital certificate. This is to certify that so and so has successfully completed online workshop entitled "Bring Out the Best in You," held for 21 days between this date to this date, organized by ISKCON or Bengaluru. So this is a certificate, and we'll be doing it. We'll be sending it on email. Okay. So. Okay, so what is the next? So somebody is saying, I feel like departing, missing everything. Okay. No, we're not missing anything. We're just joining like soon. Okay, so we'll be arranging for a mentor meeting first thing. We have our mentors also part of this today's program. They're here. So we'll be mostly scheduling a mentor meeting on Sunday evening. Okay, for different groups. Okay, so we'll be sending the communication. So each mentors will contact you, and a separate group will be formed. For ladies, for girls, there is a separate group formed. They'll form a WhatsApp group or Telegram group, and all of you can be there in that group. And each mentors will have their own Telegram groups or WhatsApp groups as per your convenience, and you'll be having separate meetings. So mostly on this Sunday evening, you will be having the first meeting of the mentors, and then subsequently during the week also you'll be having 1 or 2 meetings. And next we will meet on Saturday evening, next Saturday, which is the date is 8th. Okay, so we'll be meeting on 8th, and we'll be having a debate. Okay, and 14 of you had were expressing interest. So those 14 of you, you can contact us, and we'll be making another link for that. So we'll be in touch with you through that group, and we'll be telling you how the event will go on and what to do. Okay, so on that Saturday, we'll be having the debate. So 2 teams will be formed, 1 for and 1 against, and you will debate. Okay, and let's have a challenging debate. I'll be there, and Sanvaran will be there Sunday evening.
Sure, why not?
And all of you can be there, and so those few people will be in debate, and all of you will be audience, and you will see the real battle on that day. Okay. Hare Krishna. So that's the plan. So on Sunday you will have the mentor meetings with individual mentors, and during the week also you will have mentor meeting which the mentors will tell you. And then on next Saturday and Sunday, Saturday we'll have 1 debate, and Sunday we'll have another debate. Okay, 2 debates are there. So next Saturday, Sunday will be exciting debate for all of you. Okay, so for those who are debate participants, we'll be making a separate group. So all of you who are actively want to participate and actually speak and debate. Okay, it's a very important skill. So some of you already expressed interest. So all of you can come, and I will be personally interacting with you and telling you how the debate will go on. So, and this debate will be watched by not only this audience, it will be going live also. Okay, so we are going to have a big event on that Saturday evening, and this debate will enlighten others also about the topics which we have chosen. Okay, they are very relevant topics, and many people have doubts and questions on that. So through this debate, we'll try to clarify these topics. Okay. Hare Krishna. So how can we stay in touch with you? I shared my email ID with you, and you can be in touch with us through Telegram. So the Telegram group is there, So Sunburn is personally there, and we have many volunteers, and I also keep seeing the Telegram group, so I can also respond to you, and you can send email to me. So if you want to talk to me, and if you want to talk to Sunburn, you can, or any of the facilitators or mentors, you can talk to them through the Telegram or the WhatsApp numbers. So Girish is telling we missed the session from tomorrow, but we'll be in touch with Lord Krishna. Hare Krishna. Yeah. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.
So we'll end here. Hare Krishna. We'll meet
Hare
again.
Krishna.
Thank you. Srila Prabhupada ki
Jai.